Have you ever wondered what it would be like to build a skyscraper in just a few weeks? With new technology, that dream is becoming a reality. By harnessing the power of data, connectivity, and sustainability, companies are able to achieve feats that were once unimaginable. For decades, construction has been a slow, labor-intensive process. But that's all changing, thanks to the power of new technology. By harnessing the latest tools and techniques, companies are building faster, smarter, and more sustainably than ever before. Hey there, welcome to today's video. We're excited to dive into the top 7 construction technologies and trends that are shaping the industry right now. There's so much happening in the world of construction, from cutting-edge materials to new building techniques and sustainable practices. And we're here to break it all down for you. Before we get started with the video, we just wanted to remind you to subscribe to our channel if you're new here. And don't forget to hit that bell icon to get notified whenever we post new tech updates and videos. We've got a lot of great content planned, and we don't want you to miss out on any of it. Let's get into the video. It's interesting to consider how construction companies are keeping up with the changing demands of their clients. They're turning to some pretty amazing tools to get the job done. And with the inclusion of digital tools, the construction industry has really taken off. Software has been a major game changer in the construction world, making it easier to manage large amounts of data and improve overall efficiency. This is especially important when it comes to managing construction projects, from scheduling resources to tracking performance and maintaining equipment. The best part is, these new technologies are making it easier for smaller construction companies to compete. With cloud-based project management tools, they can cut costs and reduce project durations by a significant margin. It's pretty amazing to see how far construction has come, and the future looks even brighter with these advancements. We've rounded up the top 7 recent developments that you need to know about. They're going to transform your operations and get you ready for the future. Let's dive in and see what they can do for you. Number 1, 3D printing. Did you know that 3D printing was actually invented by an engineer? At first, it was mostly used by architects and designers to make models they could perfect by printing and reprinting. But now, 3D printing has found a new home in construction, and it's being used to build full-sized projects. In 2017, 3D printing even helped construct 2 whole bridges. That was a huge step forward for this technology. Some people are even saying that 3D printing is the future of home building. But right now, there aren't many 3D printed houses for sale because of government regulations and construction permits. Just imagine the possibilities. 3D printing could be used to build affordable homes in impoverished areas where traditional housing is just too expensive. Number 2, virtual reality. 3D printing is super cool because it lets you see a project come to life before it's even built. And now, virtual reality has joined the pre-construction party. It's like a low-stakes way to visualize a project and make changes before construction starts. The best part? Virtual reality tools can help you prevent problems and disasters before they even happen. It's like a superpower. Plus, it lets you get more creative during the design phase. Basically, virtual reality, VR, is the new kid on the block that's shaking up the industry. It's like 3D modeling, but with the added bonus of making you feel like you're actually inside the project. Number 3, wearables. Did you know that wearable technology is becoming increasingly popular on construction sites? These wearables can make a real difference in improving worker comfort and safety. And as the technology advances, the potential for even greater safety and productivity gains on the job site is huge. Just imagine a future construction site where workers are automatically and individually notified of any hazardous situations before an accident can even happen. And not only that, but the system can also monitor their fatigue levels and alert them if they get too close to dangerous areas or moving equipment. If an adjustment is needed to avoid injury, the system can even notify the workers and their supervisors. But here's the thing, the future is already here. Wearable technologies are already being used on construction sites today, offering a range of benefits including increased safety, improved efficiency, reduced injury rates, and enhanced quality of life for workers. One great example of this technology is the HoloLens from Microsoft. With this device, users can use augmented or mixed reality on the job site to overlay 3D building plans over the site. The plans are to scale, which means that project managers can see exactly how things will work and fit on the site before construction begins, which can significantly reduce the need for rework. Number 4. Cloud-based tools. Construction companies have been struggling with paper-based reporting, which can be a major pain. But the good news is that there are now digital and mobile platforms that can streamline the reporting process, making everyone's lives easier. With these tools, all necessary data can arrive at the right locations in no time. Cloud-based systems can also do a lot of heavy lifting when it comes to capturing data, planning, and deploying resources. Plus, with digital technology, you can use all sorts of communication channels to keep everyone on the same page. Although it's taken a bit longer for cloud computing to catch on in the construction industry, research shows that it can be a game changer for other innovative technologies like building information modeling, the Internet of Things, virtual and augmented reality, and big data analytics. Number 5. Robotics. Traditionally, construction has been a very manual labor-heavy industry, but as technology advances, it's starting to change. Robots can be a huge asset to construction, helping automate processes and increase productivity. In fact, other industries have already begun to use robotics to speed up work, reduce costs, and eliminate human error. While the construction industry is just starting to explore the use of robotics, there are already some areas where it's making an impact. One area is automating certain processes. As robotic technology becomes more advanced, we can expect to see more automated tasks in manufacturing, packing, and even some building processes. For example, welding, material handling, packing, cutting, and dispensing can all be automated, leading to greater precision and accuracy throughout all processes. Plus, this will likely result in significant time and cost savings as well. Number 6. Augmented reality. You're probably already heard of virtual reality, but have you heard of augmented reality? It's a similar technology that has real-world applications in architecture, business, and construction. Augmented reality, or AR, takes a live view of the physical environment and adds computer-generated sensory input to it. Unlike virtual reality, which completely replaces the real world with an artificial one, AR adds to it. For example, in construction and architecture, a 3D model of a design can be overlaid onto the real world. One exciting technology that's currently in development is the Smart Helmet. It's a wearable AR system designed specifically for the construction industry. Engineers, designers, and builders can take a building information model, or BIM, to the site and wear it on their heads. By using a visor on the helmet, along with the BIM, you can experience the site as an immersive 3D environment at scale. This level of building information empowers teams to make real-time decisions in the field. They can see through walls to better understand spatial relationships, detect issues earlier, and reduce errors that could lead to costly rework or redesigns. Instead of waiting to speak with a supervisor at the end of a shift, teams can make informed decisions on the spot. Number 7. Prefabrication. Over the past few years, the construction industry has undergone some major changes in building construction. Thanks to technology advancements, modular and prefabricated construction have become increasingly popular in both residential and commercial settings. Busy urban job sites and hard-to-reach rural areas have made it difficult to transport necessary materials, machinery, and workers. This has increased costs and delayed projects of all sizes. Prefabricated construction is a great solution to this problem. Building components are constructed in a location that is better suited for construction, then transported to the final site. Once they arrive, they're installed, secured, connected to utilities, and handed over to the owners. This efficient process saves contractors and investors time and money. The growing number of projects and investment in prefabricated construction shows that it's here to stay for the long haul. We hope you enjoyed learning about the latest construction technologies and trends shaping the industry. From 3D printing to virtual reality, wearables to cloud-based tools, there's so much happening in this space. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to stay updated with the latest tech updates and videos. We'll see you in the next video.